Today we're going to learn how to make a lowercase cursive G and a lowercase cursive Q. So you're going to want to pay really close attention because they look very similar, but they're formed differently. So we're going to start with the cursive G. Go ahead and just watch first, and then you'll have a chance to use your board and marker and come and go along with me as well. So I'm going to start here at the bottom line, and I'm going to slide up, and I'm going to come back down and around. I'm going to come back up, and then I'm going to go down past the line, and I'm going to loop around like that to make the cursive G. So it's a hanging letter. Here's the dotted line, and here's the tall line. It doesn't go past the dotted line, but it does go under the bottom line. It hangs down. Okay, I'm going to do one more, and then you can try a couple with me. So watch one more time the way that I form the letter. Start here at the bottom, come up and around, slide back down and around, back up, down, and make a loop. Cursive G. Okay, now it's your turn. Draw a line, and let's try together. Start at the bottom line, come up and around, slide back down and around, come back up to the top, slide down and make a loop, just like that. Okay, try a few more lowercase cursive G's on your board. Remember that you never pick up your pencil or marker when you're making cursive letters. And then when you're ready, we will move on to cursive Q. I'm going to draw a line. So cursive Q, I want you to pay close attention to how it's formed differently. It starts out the same. Come up and around, slide back down and around and back up. This time when I go down past the line, instead of looping this way, I'm actually going to loop behind this line, and I'm going to connect it here and then make a hook. So with the cursive Q, the loop goes behind the letter, under the line. Let's try another one. Come up and around, slide back down and around, back up, all the way down, hanging past the line. This time we go behind the line, attach it, and make a hook. And actually, I should have attached it right at the line. So I'm going to fix that. I should have attached it right here. Oops. I should have come and attached it right here and then made my hook. So even I made a mistake there. Alright, go ahead and try one with me. We're going to start at the bottom. Come up and around. Slide back down and around. Up. Down, 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 past the line. Start going behind the letter. Connect it here and make a hook. Lowercase q. Okay. Try some more on your own because those both G's and Q's are tricky. And then when you're ready, get out your cursive journal and turn to page 6. You can trace these on your own. We're going to do this together. So, starting at the bottom line, I'm going to come up and around, slide back down and around, connect it, go down past the line and make a loop, and stop right there. Okay, let's try another one. Come up and around, slide back down and around, back up to the top, down past the line to make a loop, and connect it. So those are G's. Make sure you do more lowercase g's at the bottom here. And then connecting two g's is pretty easy. So I'm going to show you how that looks. Go ahead and make sure you trace these later as well. So as I'm coming back up, I just start my next G again, come up and around, slide back down and around, up, and connect it. So 2 G's together. Try some more here. And now let's do lowercase q's. Okay? Don't forget to trace these on your own later. Follow me as I make a cursive Q here. I'm coming down, and this time I'm going behind the line, or behind the hook, like that. Okay? Let's try another one. Okay. So try more cursive Q's on your own, and then let's try to connect 2 Q's. You're probably not going to have to do this much in writing, because there really aren't many words where you would be connecting 2 Q's together, but it's still good to know how. This time, I'm going to come up, and I'm going to go right back into my next Q and connect. Okay? Don't forget to make a few more, and remember you don't need to do the try this activity at the bottom. When you're done, remember to turn your cursive journal open into the whiteboard ledge so I can check it.